you, Lord.
Sino mauna?
Ako.
Wow, di ba?
Wala daw si
Anong
George.
kinalaman
Total.
Okay.
Total.
Anong kinalaman ng artist sa kwento ng The Caretakers?
Artist.
Siyang magsabi niyan. Ikaw.
Well, ang caretaker naman po, marami talagang mga symbols no, na makikita nyo in the movie. Si Lydia mostly ang may hawak nito at yung pamilya ko. It's actually found within the home kung saan bibisita at pupunta sina Mama Iza.
Audrey.
Si Audrey. And I wish I could speak more about the Atis, but it is actually part of the mystery of the house and the story as well. So, sa kwento po, pag napanood ninyo, makikita ninyo. But good eye, because it's one of those na medyo parang very subtle lang siya. It's there, but most of the movie, you will be able to see it.
Yeah. But I think also in terms of symbolism, like fruit from Mother Earth, from nature.
That's
So
right.
it's nectar. I always call fruits nectar of the gods.
Yeah.
Gift siya ng, 'di ba? ng Mother Earth sa atin, and we really enjoy it, and it nourishes us. So I think it's very symbolic in terms of taking care of us, all of us.
And just the cycle of it, when you think about it, tayo po, di ba, we find our fruits sa bakuran natin. It's actually very, it's always part of our lives, no? All the fruits, all the, bago naman nagkaroon ng mga pagkaing iba, ito naman talaga yung sustenance natin. Dito nanggagaling yung life natin, no?
Yun nga ang kinagat ni, di ba?
Diba?
Ni
Pero
Adam.
apple yun.
Kaya nga, hindi, pero fruits,
Oo,
di ba?
fruits, diba? So,
Fruits.
yun ang symbol niya is that you get sustenance from fruits. And nice because fruits, whenever there is a celebration, it is what we offer as well. Diba?
Offering siya.
To anything that we actually respect or admire. So, either it is our gods, kung ano man ang relihiyon ninyo, or also spirits, diba?
Mga pumanaw, di ba? Di ba nag-offer? We really honor when we give fruits.
Give fruits,
Ano
yes.
meron dito sa Caretakers na bago?
Isa.
Junardo, dito sa caretakers na bago.
Yes. Despite you, aside from your...
From our team up.
Yeah,
Yeah, team up. Our love team.
Love team! First of many, Mama.
Yes.
First time yung together.
Opo,
Nang
ma'am.
matagalan po.
Opo.
Yung talagang masasabing nagkasama sa isang proyekto.
That's right.
Yung first time kasi guesting siya.
Very
So it was
quickly
very
lang.
brief, mga 1 or 2 taping
She was the
days.
young
Pilar Pilapil.
I was the young
Susan
Tita
Roses.
Susan
Yeah.
Roses.
So now, for caretakers, I think, of course, apart from our, this is very new na magkakasama kami ni Dimple sa entablado, sa pinilakang tabing, sabi nila. I think what's new about the concept is, I don't know, hindi ko alam kung new siya pero folk horror. But I think we do a lot of that because we do a lot of some shake, rattle, and roll stories are probably folk horror, diba? But I think yung really banking on the story of nature as... Ay, hindi ko pwedeng masabi.
Oo,
Ang
diba?
hirap
Hirap.
sabihin.
Nakita mo ba yung pagtikom ng bibig
yung
ko? Kasi pag ako
nature as
nagkwento.
our mother, nature, but also nature as a force that we should really respect. In the force of nature and how, I guess, even as mothers, diba, the power that we have and all that energy. I mean, iniisip ko saan ba ako,
Eto
ano bang
na,
pwede
sige
kong,
na.
akong pwede kong
Ako,
sabihin.
Mama.
Ikaw, sige,
Ako,
ikaw.
siguro, ang bago po dito and what's very, very proud about, no? Nung sinimulan po namin ito, we were very excited because this is, of course, a collaboration between Rain Entertainment and
Yes.
Regal Films. This is something new, no? Because as you know, ngayon po, after the passing of our beloved Mother Lily, ang namamahala na po sa Regal ngayon ay si Sir Keith at si Miss Rosel.
Yes.
I have done several different, no? Lumaki po ako sa Regal. Marami po akong ginawa, lalo horror, no? Ngayon, ang bago dito ay we have a collaboration between two you know, big producers like Regal Films and Rain Entertainment. Rain is of course known for internationally acclaimed content. They really go outside of the country, you know, bebenta talaga tayo ng mga pelikulang sariling atin. And as we know, Regal is one of the pillars of our industry. Regal is regal, no? This is a legacy of a woman who really was a visionary when it came to telling stories and making films about life and how it depicts what happens to us. Biruin mo, this is a kwento of two mothers, and what better way to honor Mother Lily, no? With a story like this. I feel it very, very personal, lalong-lalo na within the time that when Mother Lily passed, it was the time na nagtatapos po kami ng pelikula.
Yes, nakapunta ka ba ng wake
Yes,
nun?
nagpunta ako
Oo.
nung last night. It was
Last
the eulogy. And
Yeah.
inisip ko, isipin mo si Mother Lily, ako po, lumaki akong support actress, no? And I'm a supporting character actress. For her to be able to look at me in a way that is always different from how people would see me. I have done movies with Regal that were not necessarily ones that I would have been thought to be doing. And here comes another story with Regal and with my family, with Rain Entertainment, a beautiful way to give tribute to motherhood. Lalong-lalo na ngayon, pagod ang mga nanay, no? Pagod tayo eh, is. And yet, when we talk about the stories of being a mother, we sometimes forget the struggles and the sacrifice that we have to do, all the protection, all the safety we think about amidst all the things that we have to do every day. So kung may tinatanong po kayo kung bago, sa akin, ito yung pinakabagong konsepto na pwedeng dalin ng The Caretakers. It is a collaboration of two. One of the freshest producers, no, Rain Entertainment, with one of the biggest pillars, if not the biggest in the industry, Regal Films. So I'm very, very proud of the movie talaga. Bagong-bago. Ang ganda because kilala natin ang Regal to be making fantastic horror films that transcend generations. Pag pinanood mo yung dating mga Regal films na dating 2-3 decades pa, maisip mo, wow, relevant pa rin siya hanggang ngayon. So, having a giant like Regal, take a story by Direk Shugo, you know, putting in just yung tenure ng Regal with the fresh ideas of ang ganda po. Yun ang pinakabago para sa akin sa proyektong ito.
Definitely.
Syempre,
Might I add, I know that Rain is very new, but they have proven their worth with
Yeah.
not just going
Hindi natutuloy.
selling content
Yeah.
abroad, but being critically acclaimed as well. They have been winning awards, and that's one of the reasons why I think we took on this project. Actually, when I took it on, I didn't know that Regal was part of it at that time.
Yeah.
When they presented, it was really Rain Entertainment, and I was very surprised and pleasantly surprised and very thrilled and honored that, you know, again, here comes Regal, because I had just done Shake, Rattle, and Roll, di ba po? So, just to add on to what Dimples said, it's really the collaboration that it is new and it is exciting, because as she said, new energy, new blood is now at the helm of Regal Films, especially with Keith joining Miss Roselle, who has also really been running the company for a while Mother was not as healthy as she was. We all remember Mother Lily as talagang a force of nature, literally, di ba? Pag nandito, kung nandito yung nagsistretching to ngayon habang nag-uusap tayo. But I love that, tama si Dimples. It's a way to honor Mother Earth. It's a way to honor mothers. It's a way to honor Mother Lily. And it's a way to honor our mother country as well, hopefully by creating good Filipino content, films. Because that's really what we want. We want to elevate the quality of Filipino content, Filipino films. And I must tell you, Dimples and I have watched the film, or half of it. Half of the film. Pero kaming napanood yung half. But so far, I watched with my husband, kasama si Ben, and sabi niya, this really looks good. Sabi niya, the scoring is very, I hate the word world class, but I will use it here. Because what does that mean? but it's really at par with some of the horror films that I've been seeing from other countries that naisip ko nga while watching it, bigyan niyo pa kami talaga ng mas maraming pera. Ano kayo magagawa ng Pilipino?
Agree.
Yun, so I really think na yun, yes, fresh concepts and ideas together with, the legacy work of Regal Films and now what Rain is doing. It's an exciting film because ang dami ding fresh dahil ang daming bata.
Like
Bukod
we
sa
have
freshness natin.
Althea, who was in Dollhouse. Alam naman natin, napakahusay niya doon. We have Erica also. We have Ashley and Marco. So,
And Erin.
oo, and Erin. So fresh, very fresh.
Oo.
Yeah.
And din, we have some content creators who are part of the
and
film.
Inka.
Yeah,
I think
Jake
first
and
ni
Inka.
no?
First film ni Inka and ni Jake. No?
Inka Manay.
Yes, Jake Taylor. Kuya Jake. So, I mean, you now have all these things. I mean, we did this in Shake, Rattle, and Roll, diba? Like Gerald's episode had a lot of influencers part of it. And ito, makikita mo talaga that the crossover between content creators and actors, it's really happening. Not just online, in creation of content, but also now, sa paggawa ng No, not at all. Alam mo, Tito Jun, ang tanda na natin. Ang tagal na natin sa industriya.
Kasama ba ako? No?
Oo. And I see that with celebration. The fact na buhay tayo, healthy tayo, kung nagtatrabaho pa tayo, ako po'y nagpapasalamat, di ba? At nandito pa tayo, kapag pelikula, still, di ba? Kumikita. Content creators should not be a threat. And we should not be a threat to them. As a matter of fact, like what we're doing now, we are collaborating. Because I think we can learn from one another.
Last question.
Yeah, okay. Actually,
Sorry.
medyo ang kalaban namin yung oras.
Oo. Pasensya, oo.
Sumagot.
Oo.
Pero, yeah, and syempre, February
Sorry na, no?
The Caretakers, no? Pero ikaw, Isa, syempre, Dimples, ang dami yung ginawang horror movies dito. Si Dimples, yung mga Shake, Rattle, and Roll.
Yes.
Ikaw yung last, yung Shake, Rattle, but you did Sigaw.
Sigaw.
Oo.
I've done so
Diba?
many
Oo, na
horror
ambongga,
films. It's really my main genre.
Oo, diba?
Yeah.
So, you're glad na you're back with Regal, with the Caretakers? Yeah.
Definitely.
We're super glad.
Yeah.
I think pag tumatanda ka pala, tapos dumadami yung anak mo, sa akin kasi 3, nag-shift na yung priorities mo kasi. And while I love my craft so much, and I want to grow even more, when you are at this point in your life, you sort of shift, no? So, ang tinitimbang mo na, what would I trade with the time that I will have with my family, no? And when I saw the story of Direk Shugo and the vision where he wants to take us, where he wants to take the film and to take Rain and Regal, naniniwala ako dun sa konsepto, naniniwala ako. And ako siguro parang sa akin, parang pagdating sa mga ganitong klase ng genre, it's always very important to take note na ang pagiging Pilipino natin really adds up to these things. Tayo, somewhat ang pinagmumula ng mga kwentong ito, yung mga bulong-bulungan natin, mga traditions natin. So, this is not something out of the ordinary in terms of storytelling. Kasali ang pamilyang Pilipino pagdating sa kwentuhan ng The Caretakers.
Yeah, Isa, yan. Ang bongga ng Sigaw, di ba?
Yes.
Tapos nagkaroon pang spin-off yun sa Hollywood. Tapos eto, The Caretakers.
So, hindi lang glad, because she said glad, I'm very grateful. Kasi Sigaw was 2004. It was my first horror it was my first horror film that I was part of, no? And then so now 2025. That's why parang sobrang grateful ko na paulit-ulit ako'y binigyan. Dami, White House. Tama ba yan? White House. Iba-iba. Ang dami! So, the challenge is always how do I make it different. But that's another story altogether. But I am very grateful to be trusted again and again by Regal Films. I am very grateful to finally be working with Rain Entertainment, particularly Shugo, who now I have worked with as a director because dati he was a director dun sa pelikula namin ni Robin under kay Ato. And then very grateful to finally be working with my good friend Lino Cayetano also, and Philip and the whole Rain team. And then Keith, super grateful, and I really think, I'm a new mother. 2 years old, no? I mean, Shake, Rattle, and Roll was there. But this is more pa about motherhood than my role pa in Shake, Rattle, and Roll, which was also about a mother who just wanted to protect her kids. But even more so now, parang simula nung naging nanay ako, mas naiintindihan ko pa ang responsibilidad ng pagiging nanay, ang pagmamahal, at kung ano ang pwede mong gawin para sa pamilya mo to protect your children. So I'm very grateful that I got to be part of this project and to work with a mother who is a mother of 3 kids and to learn from her, is really, really a gift. Opo.
What was
Showing na kayo sa 26.
Feb 26 na po.
Would you like to nakaka-pressure ba? Kasi kayo opening sa album ng Rain and Regal,
Alam mo, ganito kasi ako eh. Once my work is done, it is no longer in my hands.
Yeah.
And to feel pressure is unnecessary for me. Dasal lang talaga ang katapat ko dyan. Kasi again, my work is done. This is part of our work. Ito na lang promo. Sa akin ay buong pasasalamat na lang. At siguro, kaya nandito din kayo, yung hiling namin sa ating mga kababayan ay suportahan ang pelikulang Pilipino. Sapagkat kung hindi ninyo isusuport, hindi natin susuportahan ng isa't isa, hindi tayo makakagawa ng mas marami pang pelikula. We need to be making more Filipino films. We need to be telling more Filipino stories for us to get better, for us to be at par with with other countries na, 'di ba? I mean, we used to be the biggest in Asia. And that is really my dream, our dream. And I think it's really possible. Like I told you, bigyan pa tayo ng mas maraming pera. Grabe, manginginig ang buong mundo. Hindi, I mean, it's not that. Economically, our budgets versus a Hollywood film, it's really night and day. And one day, I dream of us getting that kind of opportunity na perhaps government supported or, but kailangan nga pong manood kayo sa sinihan. And I'm telling you, Caretakers is one of those films that it is a cinema experience.
Okay, to close po si Miss Lea po.
Okay.
Sorry. What made you really give your nod to this project when it was offered to you without even seeing the script yet?
Ako po kasi, pagdating sa Caretakers, I always think, para sa akin po kasi, always the story is on top of my consideration. Hindi kasi ako yung tipo na, sinong gagawa nito? Sinong direktor? Sinong kasama ko? Mas sa akin po, anong kwento at anong magiging halaga na may bibigay nito sa makakapanood. So, I really gave my nod when I heard of the story and how it was going to affect the audience once panoorin nila ito. Ang lagi ko namang iniisip, ang trabaho namin bilang artista ay hindi lang po para pakitain ang pelikula. Ang trabaho talaga namin is to make sure na lahat po kayong manunood at lahat ng mga manunood ay may maiuuwi sa kanilang mga puso at tahanan na makakapagpabago ng buhay nila. Because at the end of the day, I feel like the money will come, the funds will come if the audience are happy and satisfied. Because anybody who's happy and satisfied will want more. Now, we want them to want more.
Valentine's lang.
Yeah. To quickly answer. Ako po, I mean, I'll be very honest with you na when it was presented to us, wala pang script. And I normally ask for a script. That is my process. But I kind of went beyond that because a few friends used friend card. But no, but because there is always a premise naman when
Yeah.
they're pitching the
Yeah.
story. There is a premise, and I really loved the premise of the story. Of course, Shugo at this time already has Bagman under his belt. He has done numerous films. Also, Nananahimik ang Gabi. So, I mean, yes, script is king for me. But I always look at also who is the director. Ang hirap pagbago kasi hindi mo pa alam. Hindi kailangan, yun, sugal yun. Pero kapag meron na siyang napatunayan, okay, you know that, okay, this director can make this script come to life, visual, di ba? And then, umuo ako dahil like what Dimple said, the theme of the movie is, it really touched my core. And I felt, and I still feel, that there is a very deep message. Apart from horror po ito, ginamit ang horror genre as a way to tell a story about mothers.
That's right.
And a bigger story about motherhood and Mother Earth and Mother Nature. Through horror. Yeah. Pang Mother's Day nga dapat yata.
Valentine plans.
What made you wear red? So, platinum.
Aba, syempre, di ba? Gusto ni Mother Lily to.
Yes, pampaswerte.
Kita mo yung red nga yung paligid.
Plans of Valentine's.
Magde-date ba tayo?
Naku, tayo na lang mag-date.
Mag-promo ba tayo?
Oo.
Alam, hindi kaya. I'm
Hindi,
sure.
ako po kasi si Alonzo, my second son's birthday is around Valentine, no? February 12. And naging kaugalian namin, even when Callie was still here in the Philippines, siya lang nagluluto sa bahay. Pag 22 years na po kayo halos kasal ng asawa nyo, sa sala na kayo nagde-date.
Oo, kami nga wala pa dyan eh. Sa
traffic.
sala din eh.
Ayoko na kasi ng traffic. So,
Oo, well,
no
iba,
plans.
iwas kami din. Parang
Yeah, living room
kalma.
na lang.
Kalma, kasi may trabaho ng 15, so kailangan mag-reserve ng energy.
Tayo yun.
Oo.
Uy, pero eto naiiyak kasi si Angelica. Galing siya pa-in-time, pero siya kapag-tanong.
Angelica, sige na, sige.
Bigay mo.
Ayan, Angelica. Ang tatanong mo, ha?
Ang lapit ng
Napakabait
shot.
naman.
Ang lapit ng shot.
Napakabait naman ni June Lalin himself.
Thank you, Sir Junto. Pero nabanggit niyo po kanina, di ba, na parang it tackles the motherhood po. Kayo po, as moms, ano po yung kaya niyong ibigay at i-sacrifice as mothers po para sa pag sa karapatan niyo po? Ay, kasi po, di ba,
Karapatan?
nagagawan po kayo dito ng lupa.
Karapatan saan?
Karapatan po sa pagmamay-ari po or pati po sa children.
Ikaw yun.
Karapatan sa children is karapatan sa...
Karapatan po sa pagmamay-ari at karapatan niyo po para po mabigyan sila ng magandang kinabukasan.
What would we give now? What are we prepared to give?
Oh my gosh. I mean, as a mother of three, dapat yata mauna ka.
Ako
pero,
siguro. Ay, ikaw na muna, Mama.
sige.
Oo.
I mean, one thing I learned, I read this book called The Daily Dad. You should give your children anything, but not everything. So ako, in terms of my kids, I don't think it falls under the karapatan category, but how you raise them is para lang, they need to know how to struggle somewhat in life, no? You cannot be too cushioned. But in terms of karapatan sa anak ko, I don't want to think kasi, sino pa bang lalabanan ko? Ayoko naman mag-isip na kailangan kong labanan yung asawa ko sa karapatan sa anak ko, no? So I don't know how to answer that question.
Yeah.
But in terms of karapatan sa... I mean, kung ang anak ko, sana hindi kami mag-away. Ayokong isipin yung mag-aaway kami about karapatan. Hindi ko lang mag-grasp. Sorry. Baka meron kang
Siguro
answer doon.
ako with your question, Angelica, na ano ba ang kayang ibigay ng isang nanay? I think
Yung kayang ibigay,
oo.
meron akong sagot.
Oo. So, siguro sa akin, natutunan ko na in all, kasi I've been a mom for 21
Yun nga
years na
dapat ikaw
matagal na. Ako sigurong natutunan ko na ang pagmamahal ng nanay hindi nasusukat. Maaring at this point, iniisip mo, hindi ko magagawa yan. Kahit ano pang mangyari sa akin, hindi ko kayang gawin yan. Kahit para saan. Pero alam mo, pag napunta ka na dun sa sitwasyon na yon at anak mo na ang pinag-uusapan, lahat kaya mong ibigay. Kasi a mother's love expands. yung puso mong gaganito
Di ba nga
kaliit.
it says it knows no bounds?
No, ano siya talaga, lahat kinakaya, lahat kayang indahin, lahat kayang isakripisyo, lahat kayang yakapin para sa pagmamahal sa anak.
And sometimes it applies beyond anak, ha? Kasi when you say mother, you only think not just ones that you birth. I mean, I have a 21-year-old brother who I'm like a mother too. So, lahat din gagawin ko. Kung baga may problema siya, let's say, o may problema, syempre yung anak ko, iba pa eh, kasi ibang stage pa. But I'll just think about my 21-year-old. I will do anything to help him through whatever and be there for him. For the family, I think, di ba, you will do talaga anything, but not everything. Kasi parang they also have to learn. That's part, for me, that's part of their learning. Pero grabe yung totoong a mother's love knows no bounds. Bilang bagong ina na may yung baby na sa ano ko, yung nag-e-expand, dun pa lang eh. Nag-expand na yung puso ko. I've never felt a love like this, so I don't know as the years go by how it will even take shape in ways na hindi ko maisip ngayon. And kung karapatan sa bahay, sa pagmamayari ng isang lugar, ayun talaga, ipaglalaban mo yun. Hanggang, I don't like to say the word patayan, but that's what they use, diba? Hanggang ano lang, to really, to the best that you can. Ibibigay mo talaga lahat. And you will sacrifice so much. Sometimes nga to a fault, di ba? Mother, yeah.
Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you so
Gusto
much.
sana itanong ni Angelica pa kung ang theme song daw neto yung anak.
Ano? Hindi. Next film.
Joke.
Picture.
Picture tayo.